Hi guys, thank you for joining us today. Actually, there are a couple of things that are going on around here today. So one is, if you can notice right here, I'm actually using the newer CM28 to record the sound for our video today. Remember, last week when I uploaded the video about the newer CM28 versus the Fine M9? And my personal winner is this newer CM28. So now, we will be using more and more of this newer CM28 and you'll see it more in this channel. So let me know what do you think about the audio of this video in the comment section below. The other thing that is happening today is that our friends from Redragon actually sent us a keyboard. This is the Starblade K707 Pro mechanical keyboard, and we will be checking out and unboxing this keyboard in this video. So let's go ahead and see what's inside the box of this Starblade K707 Pro from Redragon, and maybe find out if there is a chance that this keyboard from Redragon will replace this mechanic keyboard that we have right now in our permanent setup. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing. So what we have here in the box is, of course, our Starblade K707 Pro. They have also included some Redragon stickers and a small pamphlet about the product. And going on this flap over here, we can see that we have the included keycap and switch puller. We also have our USB to USB-C cable. And in the small box, we have here our 4 spare Mint Mambo switches. So now that we are done with our unboxing, let us go ahead and discuss the features of this Starblade K707 Pro from Redragon. The Starblade K707 Pro from Redragon is an 80% 87 keys TKL wireless mechanical keyboard. The keycaps from this keyboard are made from round wear-resistant PBT, so you can enjoy grease-free build-up on your keycaps and no more fading of any keys. Innovated OEM round design provides a larger contact surface for better finger positioning, ensuring a smooth and refined touch with every keystroke. The keyboard is equipped with 5 times noise dampening materials, which significantly reduce the hollow noise, creating an ultra-clean typing acoustics, making each keystroke satisfying and comfortable. This keyboard supports 3-mode connection. You can use it via USB-C wired, the Bluetooth 3.0 or 5.0, and the 2.4 GHz wireless dongle that you can find at the back of this keyboard. Also, when you are using it via Bluetooth mode, you can actually connect up to 3 devices, which you can easily switch at one moment's notice. The keycaps and switches are easily removed with this included keycap and switch puller if ever you want to do some upgrades or some more modifications on your keyboard. The keyboard is equipped with custom Mint Mambo switch, which are factory lubed custom linear switches, which puts the keyboard into that more creamy typing profile. The Starblade K707 Pro also has a software support where you can add and design your own new modes and effects, as well as macros with different key bindings or shortcuts for efficient work and gaming. So now, let's go ahead and do a typing and sound test on the Starblade K707 Pro from Redragon. So what do you guys think about the Starblade K707 Pro mechanical keyboard from Redragon? Would you guys add it to your personal setup? Comment down in the comment section below. Personally, I think that the aesthetic of the K707 Pro is quite nice. It may be a little bit on the girly side, but I think it works. And I think if you would like, there's also another version, the anime version of the K707 Pro, if you would like that better. When it comes to the switches, I think the Mambo switch does work, but down the line, I think I would still want to upgrade the switches in this keyboard. I also like that I have different kinds of option in connecting this keyboard via the USB-C wire or the 2.4 dongle that is behind the keyboard, and also Bluetooth. And when it comes to Bluetooth, I can actually assign 3 different devices at the same time and switch from the 3 devices with ease. So the question is if this keyboard will permanently replace our mechanic keyboard with an LED display in our setup. I think only time will tell. And you will notice if you will see more of this keyboard in more of our future videos. And if you are interested in this keyboard, the Starblade K707 Pro from Redragon, I will leave the link in the description below. Now, Redragon is actually having their Black Friday Cyber Monday sale that is going on in their website at redragonshop.com, where you can get as much as 30% discount on the products that you can see in their website. They are also having their Black Friday Cyber Monday mystery box sale, which they are selling for $39.99, but inside the mystery box, actually you can get products as much as $700 worth. One of the products that you can get in this mystery box is this racing wheel and pedal, which is worth $700. You can also have the chance to get this monitor, this 27-inch gaming monitor, or different kinds of mechanical keyboards depending on your luck. They're only selling a limited item of 500 mystery boxes, so get yours now. I actually bought mine already and just waiting for them to ship out. And once we get our mystery box, I will do an unboxing of that mystery box and see what we get inside, because all of the mystery boxes are randomly selected and we do not really know what we will get until we have the box here with us. So stay tuned for that video. As we all know, this is the season for Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale. So why don't you let me know in the comment section below what new gears and what new products are you planning to buy during this Thanksgiving season. Also, visit us in our Instagram account. I will put the link in the description below as well, and join our Thanksgiving giveaway. I'll be giving away 2 Sulion speakers to 2 lucky winners in our Instagram Thanksgiving giveaway. So head on out to our Instagram for instructions and join. But do take note, this giveaway is only open to all US residents. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you liked our video today, and maybe watch more of our videos up here and up here. And if you haven't yet, of course, do subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!